See that blinking strobe light in the distance? That plane that I was telling you about in the previous video, the Wiggins Airways aircraft, it's lining up for runway 4 now, and yeah, it's going to take off from runway 4. The one you're looking at is runway 4. And it goes all the way, and the end of this entire runway is runway 22. So it's just basically the ends. So this end is runway 4, and that end is runway 22. But yeah, there goes the aircraft. They're lining up for the runway now.
On two sides.